Four. Got cars stopping in the street because they can't see where they're going. Lots of wind too. Whew. The ditch along the road is filled. It's pouring. I bet I got 5 inches in the rain gauge out there in the garden by morning. Running over the eaves troughs. Splashing hard enough it's coming up inside the garage, and I'm 4 foot back. It's been one heck of a year for heavy rain. Wind's blowing the rain clear up underneath the roof. Look at all the water running across the yard. No wonder I can't keep any dirt there. It's flooding. Clear out by the fire pit. I got a lake. Another close one. Not as close as the one across the road, but it's coming down hard. Can't see the cornfield over there. Squirrel's running from one tree to the next. I think he said, I got to get into a better tree. Just lost power. Lights flickered. There's another one. Glad I took the garbage can out earlier in the day. If I had waited and had to take it out either tonight or tomorrow morning, very good chance I would have been soaked. Well, I don't think I gotta water the plants in the morning either. I'm not going to step out on a side porch because, well, the side porch is soaked and the wind's blowing the water right across it. All that dirt that I put out there in the side yard, it's underwater now. Hopefully it's still there in the morning. The neighbor's yard's flooded, the road's flooded. It's coming down in buckets.